Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Check out this must-have accessory for your propane griddle. So if you have one of these propane griddles, more than likely you're gonna have this adapter here for your fuel source, the 1-pounders, and these are okay when you're in a pinch. Perfectly fine to use those. The problem is that these suckers cost about $5 to $6 a pop. There's about a pound's worth, so you're paying about $5 or $6 per pound. There is an attachment that I'm going to show you that will allow you to convert this type of setup to where you can go ahead and connect it to one of these. Now, as you know, these are a lot cheaper than $5 to $6 a pound to fill up. So let me show you how I did that. So I went to Amazon and I purchased this connection right here. This is the one, and I will have a link on the description below. There are two different types of connections for this. I bought this specific one because I already have this little attachment. If you don't have this little attachment and you're gonna go straight to the source right here, I'll also put that one down in the description below. But with this little hose right here, it'll allow me to convert using this 1-pound type of fuel source of propane. I can directly connect it to my small tank propane down here. So it's very simple. I'm just going to remove this tank right here and attach the hose. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to remove it from here, remove my tank. This guy has two ends. This one is the one that's going to go to your propane tank, and this one connects to your adapter right here. Just going to go ahead and connect this right here. I'm going to connect my hose back to this right here. Then I'm going to come down here, connect the business end to this right here, open it up. Let me take this off so you guys can see it. There it is, and there you go. I know you can't really see it, but trust me, it is nice and hot. All right, so this will save you a lot of time. You can see all the heat coming off of there. This will save you a lot of time and actually a lot of money if you buy this hose. This has been the Smoking Beard. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you think on the comments down below.